Before replacing the bake element in your oven, ensure that you have the correct replacement part by comparing it to the original bake element. Somewhere on your appliance is a tag with a model number. Use it to get the correct part. Before replacing the bake element, disconnect power by removing the plug. Be careful not to touch the metal prongs of the plug while they're still in the receptacle. They are energized and you could get a shock. Or remove power by turning off the breaker that supplies power to the oven. For easy access, open the door to the broil position and lift it off the hinges. Then place it on a padded, soft surface. Remove the racks. I'm using a ratchet and a 1/4-inch socket to break the fasteners free from the bake element. And then a nut driver and the 1/4-inch socket to remove those fasteners. Remove the element from the oven by pulling it out. You'll want to be careful that the wires don't go back into the insulation in the oven, otherwise you're going to have to fish those out. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the terminals from my bake element, though you may need the nut driver to remove yours. Comparing the original part and the aftermarket part terminals, they look the same. Normally, I would buy a genuine GE part. However, this oven is 30 years old and the price was double for the OEM part as opposed to an aftermarket part. So I went with the cheaper one. And it looks to be of decent quality. It's really important to make sure that the terminals are securely fastened to the end of the bake element. Loose connections with electrical devices are a bad thing. They start to arc and then they heat up and then they cause a fire. Checking the connections. They aren't loose. Reinstall the racks. Reconnect power. Turn on the oven and test your work. You might get a slight odor from the new element. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.